Welcome to Car Champs YouTube channel. Today we have this Mercedes-Benz S400d. This is the king of luxury within the Mercedes class. If you look at all those details, you have the digital light here. The interior light show is simply stunning. We're gonna review that all today. Exterior, interior, a little bit of driving. So sit back, relax and check out this 330 horsepower Mercedes. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell.
Hello everybody, what a luxury, a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Just look. It feels like you're sitting at home on your own couch. And now the Car Champ score. Check it out.